diamond, and this one is dinosaur. Which one you want? You want dinosaurs or you want Yeah, get the big ones. We're gonna put them in our bag. In the baggie. Look. Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Look at that. Look how clean it is. Ooh, can you put it in this bag?
Yep.
You gotta be careful with sharp stuff. Good boy.
Put it in. Yep. There we go.
So what are we looking for in this one, Killian?
For fossils, dinosaurs, old bones, and old imprints of fossils. All right. Look at that. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna turn it and let's dunk it in. Hold it. Hold it. Dunk it in the water. Dunk
Flat. Yep, just
Flat.
like that.
And then we shake, 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 shake. Yeah.
Nice and gentle. Yeah.
Well, let's pull it up. What do we see?
Shakes his head.
Put it right there. What do we see? Let's pull out the big ones.
What?
Pull out the big ones. We're gonna put them in here. Whoa. No, that one's a tree, I think. That was an old tree. Some more, get the big ones. Whoa, look at that. That's a clam.
Big.
I wonder if I can eat that.
No.
Maybe. Maybe there's a pearl in there. Whoa. Ooh. Wash it off a little bit.
I'll give you some space. Just don't drop it in.
Nope.
Yeah.
I knew you were in trouble when you walked in. Okay, get that big one. Then we're gonna shake it again.
Getting so excited.
Let's shake it again. Shake it again in the water. Shake.
A little shaky. Guys, you see how the motorcycles? Social distancing activity. Pretty good one. Pretty good one, huh? I should probably strap you in, but I'm just gonna poop you up as soon as we get down there. Please be careful. Oh, throwing it. That is not careful. Bring it back to Daddy. Yes, be careful where you're walking. Killian, how you doing? Let me know if you want more ice water on your head.